so much for being here and watching. Today we're opening up my January 2020 Splendies, so my panty subscription. If you do not know what Splendies is, like I said, it's a panty or an underwear subscription. It is a monthly box or bag. So each month you get 3 sets or 3 pairs of underwear. You get to choose what kind. So they have 3 different options. You can get all thongs, all like regular underwear, or a surprise variety. I get the surprise variety one, and every single month in my experience in the surprise one, you get 2 regular panties and 1 thong. They do have a wide range of sizes. I believe it goes from like extra small to 4X, so hopefully there is an option for everyone. It costs $14.95 a month, and usually the panties you get are like $12 each, and I think it is totally worth it. They're always so cute. I have a pair on right now. I think I say that every time I do this unboxing, but like it's pretty much the only underwear I have now. Like before I was like, maybe my underwear is getting a little too old, and then I realized that when I was getting Splendies, so I like have refreshed my underwear drawer, and now it's all super cute, and I can't wait to see what I get. So it always comes in this mailer bag right here. So I'm gonna link them down below. There's also been a promo code that's been active since June. I didn't check today, but I checked last month when I did this box, and it's like June 50. Again, I'll leave it down below with the link to Splendies. And it saves you 50% in your first box, so your first box would be like $7 something, so $7 and like whatever cents. So if that's still working, definitely take advantage of that. That's a great deal. I think it's a great deal no matter what, but yeah. Anyways, let's get this open and see what underwear I got for January. Oh, how cute. The underwear is wrapped up in this tissue paper that's all hearts. And there's a little Splendies sticker. I'm gonna try not to ruin it so I can repurpose this tissue paper. I always try and repurpose stuff from my boxes, as you all know. I get a lot of boxes, and the packaging inside and stuff I try and reuse when I like send out giveaways and all of that. So, oh my god, these are perfect for the upcoming Valentine's Day, which is only like 2 weeks away. I'm just gonna show you what it looks like before like unwrapping them all. Like they're all color coordinated. I am so excited. In the past we have gotten like other themed underwear. Like I have some Christmas underwear that has like little cute polar bears on them, and I have one that was like around Halloween time that was like cats with witch hats on them, and I wear them all year round. I mean, it's really tempting to show people your underwear when they're that cute, but you normally don't. So you can wear themed underwear anytime you want to, but let's start with the first pair that's right on top, and it is so freaking cute. Oh my god. Oh, and the back is different than the front. So look at the front. There's like a little like pretty girl, like she looks like she's from France or something, like, and she has some pink balloon, red balloons I mean, and white balloons, and there's some clouds. There's a little red bow in the front, so really cute in the front, sexy in the back. There's like some pink lace here. I really like this. I'm trying to show you it like without the front. I think this is so cute. Like, aren't their underwear so cute? And this is actually made by Splendies. And I always like to tell you guys the material in case that's important to anyone. So this is made here in Santa Monica, California, and this is made from 95% rayon and 5% spandex. And I think this is so cute. The next pair is super cute too. I'm going to say that about every pair because I already can see them. They're all so cute, and this feels so nice. So the next pair is the thong, and it's by Splendies, and this is what it looks like. Red and white roses, and I love when they send thongs like this. I just find these the most comfortable and the least obvious underneath your pants. Like I like if I'm wearing like pants, I don't really wear dresses and stuff, but or if it's like a fitted dress, I like to wear thongs like this and not regular underwear because I don't like lines to show, and these are perfect for that. So again, Splendies, and the cost of both of these is $12, so you already get your money's worth. This pretty much with one pair, but with 2 pairs you definitely do. So I love it. I love how coordinated these are. So this is made from 86% nylon and 14% spandex, and I love them. And the last pair is so delicate and pretty and cute too, also by Splendies, also $12. And this is like more of like a maroon color. So from far away it's even pretty, but look at the detail up close. I hope you guys can see. There's that bow, and then there's like some lacy cross stitching and stuff like that. The top is lacy, so this one does cover most of your butt. It might be like a little cheeky, but I think that is so pretty. I won't really be able to tell till I'm editing, but I think you guys should be able to get the picture. And the back of it is sheer, the front isn't. So it's a little bit see-through, but since it's a darker color, like, can you guys even like really see my hand through it? So I love this. I love the color. I think these are like cute and sexy. So again, Splendies brand, and these are made from 90% polyester and 10% spandex. So I was just saying this in the video I recorded before this. I have such a hard time choosing favorites. I honestly love all three of these. Like, they're all cute and sexy at the same time, I think. Like, especially these. I think these are probably like the most like sexy, just because it's like lacy and feminine. But obviously, like, I think thongs are always kind of sexy, but this is like very cute and feminine, roses. And this is like, you know, cute in the front, sexy in the back. I should probably not say that word so much. Am I gonna get demonetized for this little underwear video? We all wear underwear, it's okay, YouTube. But yeah, you guys, I love this month. Again, all the information for Splendies will be down below. Thank you so much for being here and opening my new underwear for me. I can't wait to use these. I love them so much. I always love Splendies. And yeah, I hope you guys are having a great day. I will see you in my next video. Love you so much. Bye, guys.